Hey, how's it going, everybody? It's your main man, Really Reels. Hey, I had a request for somebody. They wanted to check out and get some info on the Apple CarPlay and, of course, the Android CarPlay. Now, I have an iPhone, so I'm not sure if it's exactly the same. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you see how it works with the Apple CarPlay. So right now, I have my iPhone plugged in. Typically, I leave it in my armrest, but I got it plugged in. So once you plug it in, you have your Apple CarPlay, your CarPlay button right there. You hit that, and the supported apps come up on the screen. So I have two pages right now. It's just so I have the phone, the music, the Maps app, messages, the music, or the now playing the podcast, audiobooks, Google Maps. I like that one as well. And then I got the Waze app. So right here along the side, you'll see your last three used icon, which mine is Maps, music, and of course the telephone. Right here, you have your time. You have your signal strength on your phone. I've got mine attached to Wi-Fi right now because I'm in my garage. And of course, this is your home button. So say that if I go into the music screen, if I want to go back to the home screen, I just tap the home button right there. So, it's pretty simple and straightforward. Like I said, this is your Maps app. Um, just dealing, it's just like using it on your phone. You know what I mean? So, you would, they'll put in your directions and stuff like that. You hit that, hit guidance.
Starting route to 1200 North Houston Levee Road.
And that's just the address that I
Heading
had in
still
there
940
previously.
east.
So, tap the screen, hit end, which it'll stop it. You can also hit 3D. It'll give you kind of a 3D, shape. And you can hit the screen again. Destinations. Here's previous destinations, or you can look in here and you see, like I said, previous ones that I've been to. You can search for places to eat, coffee shops. That one is groceries. You can look for parking, and you can look for gas stations. So that's pretty cool within the app. You know what I mean? Like I said, here's the recent ones that I had. So we can go back. Yeah, so that's pretty much simple. Of course, you got your zoom feature right here and stuff like that. So, um, looks like the screen is getting darker and lightening up or whatnot. I'm not sure. I guess I got it on auto or something like that. My bad, y'all. But so you have that. So now we hit this to go home. Hit the home button. Okay, and you got your phone, and of course, Siri picked up because she thought I said her name, but I didn't. So cancel, Siri.
I don't see Donna in your contacts. Should I look for businesses with that name?
Cancel.
Okay.
My bad, y'all. All right, so it's on the phone. So these will be where you would have your favorite save at. You got your recent calls. Call my mom a lot. I gotta talk to my mom, every day or whatnot. Her and my niece. You got your contact listing. You got your keypad and voicemail. So those are all of those. And of course, like I said, here's our back button. So we click that to go back. You can hit your music, scroll to your music. You have your
Who do you want to send it to?
cancel.
Okay, I won't send it.
So she was assuming I wanted to send a message, but I didn't. But that's what happened. So here are, the previous messages in my phone. So I go back. Of course, you got the now playing, which was from my music. Like I showed you this before with the Google Maps. I like it because you get the 3D option to use the satellite map. So I think that's pretty cool. You know what I mean? So that's that. I'm gonna come back out. Of course, what audiobooks is, and then there's the Waze app. So it's pretty straightforward. You know what I mean? It's not a lot going on here. Just the main apps that they basically put apps on here that you can't use, that you're not going to use while you're driving. Like, it's not going to distract you, like Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff. So you won't see those on there. So you have your navigation, your music, and everything that you can do that's hands-free or whatnot. So that is the Apple CarPlay. If you have any other questions about the Apple CarPlay, please, down in the description below, let me know what questions you got. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. Give this a like and a share if you don't mind. I appreciate you. You know what I'm saying? So it's your main man, Relly Rails, and it's always 100, always solid. I'm up out of here.